Residential market analysis in highest and best use, chapter 4, highest and best use, page 2, highest and best use, and Fannie Mae / Freddie Mac. When appraising a property for an opinion of market value, the appraiser should develop an opinion of the highest and best use of the site as vacant, and then as it is presently improved. Is the highest and best use of the site as it is presently improved? If the site were vacant, would there be a higher and better use for the site? The appraiser must answer this question and be able to support his or her opinion. If the appraisal is for market value, the property will be then appraised based upon the appraiser's opinion of highest and best use. The condition of the assignment pertaining to the type of value is stressed here because all assignments do not automatically request market value. The analysis for determination of the highest and best use is required for an assignment that includes the development process for an opinion of market value. For other definitions of value, the highest and best use analysis may not be relevant to credible assignment results. However, if the analysis is necessary for credible assignment results, then the appraiser must develop it. Highest and best use and Fannie Mae / Freddie Mac. In 2016, Fannie Mae Selling Guide B4-1-3-04 Appraisal Report Assignment Assessment Site section of the appraisal report. February 23, 2016, it says highest and best use. Fannie Mae will only purchase or securitize a mortgage that represents the highest and best use of the site as improved. If the current improvements clearly do not represent the highest and best use of the site as an improved site, it must be indicated on the appraisal report. The appraiser determines highest and best use of a site as the reasonable and probable use that supports the highest present value of the effective date of the appraisal. For improvements to represent the highest and best use of a site, they must be legally permitted, financially feasible, and physically possible, and must provide more profit than any other use of the site would generate. All of those criteria must be met if the improvements are to be considered as the highest and best use of a site. The appraiser's highest and best use analysis of the subject property should consider the property as it is improved. This treatment recognizes that the existing improvements should continue in use until it is financially feasible to remove the dwelling and build a new one, or to renovate the existing dwelling. If the use of comparable sales demonstrates that the improvements are reasonably typical and compatible with market demand for the neighborhood, and the present improvements contribute to the value of the subject property so that its value is greater than the estimated vacant site value, the appraiser should consider the existing use as reasonable and report it as its highest and best use. End of page.